Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the previous session, we had seen the legend function in Matplotlib. And in today's session, let's see x limits, y limits, xticks and yticks in Matplotlib. So initially, if we want to set the x-axis limits or the y-axis limit, we can specify with the help of ax.set_x limit. 2 is the lower limit and 10 is the upper limit. Similarly, for y-axis, it is ax.set_y limits. 5 is the lower limit, 10 is the upper limit. So these values can change as per our requirement. So this is nothing but the lower and this is the upper limit, lower and upper limit. So now let's see with the help of an example. So let me say import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now let me have my x-axis values, which is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I want it in a list format. So this is my x list and my y list is having values equal to 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5 and then 9. So again this is also a list. So this is 1.5, the first one is 1.5. So I'm having two lists, basically x and y list. Now let's plot the graph onto the screen with the help of fig comma ax is equal to plt dot subplots. Now let us plot the graph by saying ax dot plot x comma y comma, I want a solid line and marker in shape of O. Now let me say set my x limits. This is what we were looking into. Ax dot set underscore xlim. I want it from 1 to 3. I don't want it from 0 to 5. Since if I just give x comma y, it will take from 0 to 5 and 1.5 to 9. But I'm setting my limit, x limit to 1 comma 3. So it will consider only from 1 to 3. That is 1, 2, 3 points will be considered. Similarly, ax dot set underscore ylem, I want it from 3 to 6. So it will consider 3, 4.5 and then 6. Now if I say plt.show, it will show the graph onto the screen. So now when I run the code, and my x limit is from 1 to 3 and y limit is from 3 to 6 as what we have specified. But now if I comment this particular line, then run the code, it will take from 0 to 5, 0 to 5 and 1.5 to 9, 1.5 till 9. So if we want to see the graph in a closer view, then we can set the x limits and y limits as per our requirement. The values we can give as per our requirement and see it in the closer view. So this is the importance of set underscore xlim and set underscore ylim. Now let's look into xticks and yticks. For this, I'm having a dictionary which is called temperature. It is having dates and temperature in Bangalore and temperature in Mumbai. So this is Mumbai temperature and this is Bangalore temperature for the dates which we have specified over here. So now when I run this particular, and then I'm converting it into a data frame. I'm passing temperature, that is the dictionary, as the data. Columns is nothing but temperature in Bangalore and Mumbai, and index is nothing but the date. So now when I run the code, I get my output in this particular manner, the data frame in this particular tabular format. We get the output. Now let's see how xticks and yticks works in Matplotlib. So initially let me say fig comma ax is equal to plt.subplots. Then I'm saying fig size equal to 7 comma 6. So this we have already seen in our previous session. Now let me plot my graph, one for Bangalore and one for Mumbai. So let me say ax dot plot. So the x-axis nothing but the date. Date is nothing but the index. So data frame dot index becomes my x-axis, and temperature of Bangalore becomes the y-axis value. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. And I want the color to be green in color. The graph color, I want it to be green in color. And let me give a line width which is equal to 2. So this was for Bangalore. Now similarly, let's plot it for Mumbai. So date is the same, that is df.index stands for x-axis, and this is Mumbai. Color is red for the Mumbai graph, and line width again is equal to 2. Now let's give a title, figure level title. So let me call it as fig.subtitle. I'll give it as equal to temperature changes in Bangalore and Mumbai. So this is the main title, the figure level title. Now let's give axis level title by saying ax.set underscore title. So I'll give it as equal to Bangalore versus Mumbai. So these are the titles. Now let's give x label and y label by saying ax.set underscore x label. I'm giving it equal to date. Ax.set underscore y label. I'm giving it equal to temperature. And now let me give my legends. So ax.legend we have already seen in the previous session. And ax.legend is equal to df.columns. That is Bangalore temperature and that is Bangalore and Mumbai. So df.columns. And now let me set my y limits by saying ax.set underscore y lim. I'm setting it, lower limit is 20, upper limit is 50. Now let's see the xticks and yticks. ax.set underscore xticks. So these are the dates. I'm having around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dates. In that I want to have only the alternative dates. So I want to set the ticks. So for this I use ax.set underscore xticks because dates come in the x-axis. And here let me give it as df of df.index. Then let me slice it and then 2. So every alternate date will be picked up. So we are setting the xticks, the dates on the x-axis. So for that we use the xticks function. If we want to set the values on the y-axis, we have to use yticks. Now let me say plt dot grid and plt dot show. So now initially let me comment out my xticks and let me run my code. I get my graph where I'm having 9 dates. Okay. And the main title is temperature changes in Bangalore and Mumbai. So that is the figure level title. Axis level title is Bangalore versus Mumbai. So Bangalore versus Mumbai is the axis title. X-axis label is date. Y-axis label is temperature. And I'm setting the Y limits from 20 to 50. So it's having value from 20 to 50. And dates come in the y-axis. Legend is df dot columns. Columns is nothing but Bangalore and Mumbai. So Bangalore and Mumbai. Green stands for Bangalore, red stands for Mumbai. Now we have got 8 dates. I don't want all these 8 dates. I just want the alternative dates. So I want to pick up only 4 dates. So in that case, I give ax.set underscore xticks and I skip every alternative date. So now when I run the code, I get 4 dates. Every alternate date has got skipped because I've given the step size equal to 2. So now in this way we can set the ticks. These are nothing but the ticks. So we can set the ticks with the help of xticks and yticks function. And now we can also, instead of dates, I can give the label as well. So for that, let me say ax dot set underscore xtick labels, and first one let me give it as Jan 2017. Second one is June 2017. Third one is Jan 2018, and the fourth one is June 2018. So instead of the ticks, these dates, I want the labels to appear. So I can use xtick labels as well. So now when I run the code, these dates won't appear. Instead, it will show Jan 2017. So it shows Jan 2017, June 2017, Jan 2018 and Jan 2008. So in this way, we can give labels also for our ticks. And now if I want to rotate my ticks, then I can say ax dot set, sorry, I have to use plt dot xticks and I have to use a parameter called rotation equal to 45. So it will rotate at an angle of 45 degrees. So now when I run the code, I get it in the rotated manner. That is Jan 2017, June 2017, Jan 18, June 18. It's rotated to an angle of 45 degrees. So this is how, with the help of y limits, we can set the limits for the y-axis, and with the help of xticks, I can select the ticks onto the graph. And also we can rotate the value by giving the rotation parameter. We can specify the value and it gets rotated by that particular angle. And this is the figure level title, axis level title, legend, xticks values, x label, y label, and these are the y limit. We have set it from 20 to 50. So hope so friends, it was clear for you. The x limits, the y limits, the x ticks and the y ticks. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.